And we have breaking news coming in this morning. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to hold a meeting and is holding a meeting with top ministers in Parliament to discuss various issues, including the Nagaland firing incident and the government strategy in both the houses. And remember, the latest updates coming in is that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah is all set to give a statement on the Nagaland firing incident in both the houses of the Parliament today afternoon. And we are also getting in this update as to how the Union Home Minister Amit Shah had also briefed Prime Minister Modi on the current situation on ground as far as the Nagaland firing incident is concerned. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also holding this particular meeting with top ministers in Parliament to discuss various issues, including the Nagaland firing incident and the government strategy in both the houses of the Parliament. This is week 2 of the winter session of the Parliament we are talking about, and the latest that we are picking up is the Prime Minister is also being briefed on the Nagaland firing incident. Let me now go across to my colleague Shivani, who is also joining us. Yes, Shivani, please share more.
Richa, we know that this was an incident that took place on Saturday, and now what is happening is Prime Minister Narendra Modi is taking stock of the situation. He's reviewing and taking information from Union Home Minister Amit Shah and also National Security Advisor Mr. Doval, and they are apprising the Prime Minister about what is going on right now at the spot. And an SIT has already been constituted, Richa, we know, and a probe has already begun into the matter. The whole issue is quite sensitive and is being dealt quite seriously by the government, as we know that the Union Home Minister has already reviewed the whole situation. He has been talking to the officials of Nagaland, including the Chief Minister, on this particular issue. He had also tweeted yesterday about assuring justice for the people, and he had also said that the high-level investigation has already begun by the SIT of Nagaland government. So now Prime Minister Narendra Modi is being briefed upon the situation in Nagaland right now and what the government is going to do to restore peace in the area. And today we also know, Richa, that the Union Home Minister will be making statement on the particular incident in both the houses in afternoon. So before that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is being apprised about the situation in Nagaland right now.
All right. Thank you so much, Shivani, for getting us the latest update. Meanwhile, we'll be closely tracking the Union Home Minister's statements in the Parliament today.